Dear friends, to particularly region chair and zone chair, heartiest congratulations. మీ డిస్ట్రిక్ట్ గవర్నర్ గారు మిమ్మల్ని రీజన్ చైర్మన్, జోన్ చైర్మన్ గా నామినేట్ చేశారు. యు ఆర్ నాట్ యెట్ ఇన్స్టాల్డ్, కానీ ఈ సమయంలో యు ఆర్ కాల్డ్ ద రీజన్ చైర్పర్సన్, జోన్ చైర్పర్సన్ డెసిగ్నేట్. అంటే యు ఆర్ డెసిగ్నేటెడ్ ఫర్ దిస్ అసైన్మెంట్. యు ఆర్ నౌ ఆన్ అ మిషన్ ఫ్యూచర్. ఇదో కొత్త తరం. We will have to continue using this throughout the year. Mission future అనేది, why is it important? Because our future is uncertain. 6 మాసాల తర్వాత ఏం జరుగుతుంది? క్లబ్లు will they meet at all? డిస్ట్రిక్ట్ క్యాబినెట్ ఇన్స్టలేషన్ ఎలా జరుగుతుంది? రీజన్ చైర్మన్, జోన్ చైర్పర్సన్ వర్క్షాప్స్ ప్రతి జిల్లాలో is it possible? PST seminars, are they going to be possible? ఇదంతా ఒక mysterious situation. So మన మిషన్ ఫ్యూచర్ ఏమిటంటే, no matter how complicated the scenario is, our 1 point agenda is we must be successful. So our mission future is, no matter what, we must be successful. There is no second opinion about it. Region chairman, zone chairman is a very special assignment. It is not like any other district chairman. ఒక నిమిషం మీరు ఆలోచించండి, ప్రత్యేకత ఏమిటి? రీజన్ చైర్మన్, జోన్ చైర్మన్ ప్రత్యేకత ఏమిటి? You are the only one who is connected to the club and its members throughout the year. గవర్నర్ గారికి ఎంతో రెస్పాన్సిబిలిటీ ఉంటుంది to manage the whole district. Mari, who will look after the clubs and who will look after our members? Who will directly connect the clubs and the members with the district? It is the region chairperson. Kabatti is a very special assignment. For 2021, you are the most important connect between Lions Clubs International and your team. What is your team? Na team ఏమిటని అడగొచ్చు. Your team is your clubs and the members of your club. I repeat, your team is your clubs. If you are a region chairman, 12 క్లబ్లు ఉండొచ్చు, మీకు 13 క్లబ్లు ఉండొచ్చు. ఆ క్లబ్లు they are a part of your team. 10 క్లబ్లు ఉండొచ్చు, they are a part of your team. మరి ఆ క్లబ్ సభ్యులు కూడా they are a part of your team. Same thing is with zone chairperson. మీకు ఒక 4 క్లబ్లు ఉంటాయి, 5 క్లబ్లు ఉంటాయి. ఆ క్లబ్లో ఉన్న సభ్యులు మరి ఆ క్లబ్లు దే ఆర్ అ పార్ట్ ఆఫ్ యువర్ టీమ్. సో దిస్ ఇస్ అ వెరీ వెరీ స్పెషల్ రిలేషన్షిప్ దట్ యూ క్యాన్ డెవలప్. సాక్రటీస్ చాలా చక్కగా అన్నాడు, టు మూవ్ ద వరల్డ్ వీ మస్ట్ ఫస్ట్ మూవ్ అవర్ సెల్వ్స్ అన్నాడు. ఇట్ ఈస్ టైమ్ ఫర్ అస్ టు మూవ్ ద వరల్డ్. మూవ్ ద వరల్డ్ అంటే కదిలించే అవసరం, ఈ లోకాన్ని కదిలించే అవసరం ఉంది ఈరోజు. The whole world is locked down. The whole world is in a challenge. But we have to make the world move forward. How can we do it? We can do it when we are ready to move. The moment we are ready to move, then we can move the world. I think it's a great way to go forward. So let's move forward now and understand a little more about our assignment. Let's move forward, please. The negative impact of coronavirus pandemic. There is a lot of uncertainty. There is a lot of confusion. Confusion ఏమిటి? Will this coronavirus last? Will there be regular meetings in our district? Will all of us be able to meet? మనం అందరం కలిసి కెన్ వి డూ అ క్యాంప్? విలేజర్స్ తో పాటు ఒక క్యాంప్ చేయాలంటే సుమారు 500 నుండి 1000 మంది వస్తారు అక్కడికి. కెన్ వి డూ అ క్యాంప్? కెన్ వి డిస్ట్రిబ్యూట్ మెడిసిన్స్? ఈ సోషల్ డిస్టెన్సింగ్ గోయింగ్ టు బి పర్మనెంట్? ఇలాంటి క్వశ్చన్స్ అందరి మనసులో ఉన్నాయి. కరోనా వైరస్ ఎప్పటి వరకు ఉంటుంది? విల్ ఇట్ కంటిన్యూ టు నెగటివ్లీ ఇంపాక్ట్ us? Let me give you a clear example. and a very down-to-earth statement. Today, like any other illness, coronavirus is one more illness. Adi podu. To think it will go away like a hurricane or an earthquake, oka bhukampam anandi, oka tufan anandi, they come, they disrupt and they go away. Coronavirus is not like a earthquake or a flood. It has come, it will stay, and it may not go. It is we who have to learn to live with it. Vaccination anandi, medical treatment anandi, we will have to learn to live with it. So let our minds be very clear. If we are anticipating this COVID to go away, we will be losing time waiting for this COVID to go away. So let us believe that COVID will continue, and despite COVID continuing, we will have to take our assignment forward. Now my question is, will life and Lionism be normal versus how can life and Lionism progress successfully? Normal avutunda adagada oka ettu, mari how can I continue my success anedi maro ettu. So you are talking about two situations. Will life be normal? Will Lionism be normal? Let us not just stop there. Let us take a few steps ahead and ask another question. How can Lionism, how can life progress successfully during this coronavirus pandemic? Then our minds open up and it starts giving us much more response to find better approaches to manage Lionism. Let's move forward, please. What is an obstacle? Mana subject ivala. Our subject is challenging obstacles versus innovative leadership. COVID. COVID. Dani COVID leadership annanu. Endukante COVID is an acronym. Challenging obstacles versus innovative delivery, right? Innovative in a manner, you and I, innovative development, innovative delivery, right? So we are talking about development, but with a lot of creativity, kotta alochanato, new approaches. And these obstacles, obstacle and enmity, they are obstructions, they are blockades, they are called impediments, they are blocks, mental blocks, physical blocks. So obstacle, obstacle brings disruption. It stops progress or prevents progress. That is an obstacle. Now, when you talk about an obstacle, you always want to challenge this obstacle. How can you challenge an obstacle? Only when your mind opens out. Let's move forward, please. Innovative development. What is innovative development? Start looking at new ways. You see a picture here of a Toyota car. It's being redesigned. The entire model of a car is being redesigned, right? You see hundreds of inventions. These inventions never existed before. So for a photographer to shoot from the top, it was a very difficult situation. But today, you can fly the camera to shoot a picture from the top. So these are all innovative developments. So our today is to challenge this obstacle. And how do you challenge this obstacle? We must start reinventing Lionism. Reinventing and reinventing a way the club will function. Reinventing the way we can connect with our members. Reinventing our nature of programs, our activities, the process through which we do service programs. Dani koraku we need a lot of re-engineering. We need a lot of retooling. Retooling ante as a leader, as a region chairman, as a zone chairman, your skills have to be retooled. Your approaches, mental, physical, they have to demonstrate much more positive thoughts and behavior for all of us to take life forward. So you have obstacles that must be challenged on one side, and on the other side, the only way to challenge an obstacle is by innovative development, by trying to look at how I can take my assignment and lionism forward. Let's move on. COVID is our way forward. I have 5-stage approach. Chala simple ga chesanu. Oka RCZC ki what is it you are expected to do during this year? It is a 5-stage process. The next one, the 5-stage process. It is called COVID. Next one, Andy, next one. Right. It is called the 5-stage approach. What is this 5-stage approach? As a region chairman, as a zone chairman, as a district governor, what should be your approach? Your approach should be to consolidate clubs and membership. C. To organize member engagement, events and activities. O. Value add, create value. Create value. V. Innovate approaches. I. And delivery. Delivery is delivery of leadership, delivery of enthusiasm, and delivery of your own confidence. That I can deliver my leadership even in this time of crisis. So 5 approaches: consolidate clubs and membership, organize member engagement. Member engagement, how do you organize it? Through events, through activities. Value add, create value. Member. If you don't create value, club will close. If you don't create value, people will refuse to pay dues. So you have to create value, give that value add. Number 4, innovate approaches, new approaches, more creativity, more innovation. And 5, deliver your leadership, show your enthusiasm, deliver your confidence. So COVID, this is called the COVID leadership. Let's move forward to understand each of these 5 areas. How do you consolidate clubs and membership? Very simple. You as a region chairman, zone chairman, you need to connect with your clubs. Without connection, there is no relationship. So you are very privileged. Zone chairman garu, 4 clubs unnai meeku. 4 clubs icharu meeku governor garu. Aa club lo connect immediate gandi. You have to connect with the club. Connect with the members, connect with the president, connect with the past presidents. Encourage them. If you don't talk to them, then the club may not be active. So you must immediately talk to them. Before June 30th, you must talk to them. You must communicate to them. And you must keep them in good mood. Encourage them. Tell them no problem. We can do activities. We can do meetings. And encourage them. Most important, encourage them to be active. Your motivation to the clubs will keep the club active. A district governor cannot reach to all 70, 80, 90 clubs, but you as a zone chairman, you as a region chairman can connect with every single club. Next, regular club recognition. If you want to consolidate your club, make sure that this is an year of recognition. వారికి అవార్డ్స్ ఇవ్వండి, వారి గురించి మాట్లాడండి, ప్రచారం చేయండి, acknowledge them. So regular club recognition is required. అతి కష్టం క్లబ్ నడిపియాలంటే, అయినా కూడా that person is trying to work hard to keep the club active. And when the club is kept active, you must acknowledge, you must recognize that leadership. So oka chinna paapani manam penchinattu, we take care of a child, we keep on patting the child on the back. So you will have to do something more than what the previous RCZC has done. Your club visit has to be more frequent. You cannot visit a club once a year. You have to visit as many times as you can. But that is about clubs. Mari clubs lo there are members. If you have 4 clubs, I think you will have about 100 to 250 members, maybe 300 members, maybe 400 members in some cases. Keep a channel open with your members. Connect with your members. It is important that you start a WhatsApp group of all the members of your zone. Even zone chairman garu, it's so easy. Okay, WhatsApp group cheyandi. Me member landa WhatsApp group cheyandi. Meeku oka manchi avakasham ippudu. Communication is going to be our forerunner in the post-COVID management. So start working on that. Under past presidents of a WhatsApp group cheyandi, me 4 club past presidents. So you must have a frequent connect with the club members, with the presidents, with the secretaries, with the past presidents. Similar work a region chairman also can do. So you can target your communication to keep the members, actively involved. Member motivation, member rewards. Ivanni enduku avasaram ante this year, if we don't take care of our clubs and membership, I am personally worried that by the end of 2021, our membership will crash. So we should it's a challenge for us to keep our membership active. Mana multiple jillalo sumaru 18,000 members unnaru. It was our dream to achieve 20,000 this year. Kani unfortunate COVID raavadamlo, konni jillalo negative growth raavadamlo, we are very, very slow with our membership growth. Mari ippudu manam jagrata padapothe, my worry is we may lose more members, and that is why member retention is very, very important. So RCZC ki first point emitante consolidate clubs, consolidate membership. Unna members to paatu, unna clubulato paatu, you must establish a strong relationship, and it is not very difficult. There are so many ways in which you can connect with your club member, but let every member of every club become your friend. This is something that I can share with all zone chairpersons and to the region chairpersons. Maybe managing all the members in your region may be very difficult, but to manage all presidents, to manage all secretaries, to manage all past presidents, to manage all women members, well, I think it is very, very easy. Let's move forward. So the first one is consolidate clubs and membership. Rondo point. When you talk about consolidating clubs and membership, I have examples. Ivala chudandi. How many clubs in India have more than 1,000 members? I don't know if you are aware. There are 3 clubs in India. Clublu. They have more than 1,000 members. In one club, you're talking about one club. Lions Club of Ahmedabad, Karnavati has 2,073 members. 2,073. Lions Club of Mumbai Choice, they have 1,825 members. Chudandi aa madhyalo photograph, kinda unna photograph is one of their activities. 1000 mandi vacharu meeting ki club meeting ki 1000 mandi vacharu. Enta pedda area lo meeting chesaru chudandi. So Lions Club of Mumbai Choice has 1,825 members. Third largest club in India is Pune. Lions Club of Pune has 1,042 members. So we are talking about consolidating clubs and membership. Konchamanది antunnaru, sir, it is very difficult. Clubs 30 మెంబర్లు ఉన్నారు, వాళ్ళు చాలా కష్టం సార్ అంటున్నారు. నాయనా ఎక్కడైతే 2000 మెంబర్లు ఉన్నారో వాళ్ళ కష్టం లేనప్పుడు నీకు 30 మెంబర్ల క్లబ్ 50 మెంబర్ల క్లబ్ లో మీకు ఎందుకు ప్రాబ్లం రావాలి? So you should be able to encourage and train a club president to be more active. Let's move forward. Mana multiple gurinchi kuda maatladtanu. There are 9 clubs in India which have over 500 members. Mana multiple lo largest club antam. It is the 23rd rank in the world. Lions Club of Secunderabad North. 320B ki chendina club idi. 320B. Lions Club of Secunderabad North has 322 members. Our President Usman chala chakkati leader. Mari this club had the support of the past governor Lion Vijay Kumar Setti. Varu prarambhinchari club. They are doing very well. One of their activities is Ujjwala. Mana maskulu chestunnaru ippudu chudandi. వారి యొక్క యాక్టివిటీ కూడా ఫోటో ఇచ్చాను ఇక్కడ. సో టు మేనేజ్ అ క్లబ్ యూ నీడ్ యువర్ మైండ్ ఓపెన్. ఎప్పుడైతే క్లబ్ ఎస్ ఇట్ ఈస్ పాసిబుల్ ఫర్ మీ as a zone chairman, as a region chairman, to be a consultant to a club, to be a physician to a club, oka doctor ga, oka consultant ga, oka partner ga, oka club ni మీరు కలిపి వారిని ముందుకు తీసుకునే బాధ్యత మీకు ఉంటుంది సార్. దట్ ఈస్ యువర్ లీడర్షిప్ టెస్ట్. లెట్స్ మూవ్ ఆన్. ద సెకండ్ ఈస్ organize member engagement. First one was consolidate clubs, consolidate members. Kani consolidate chesi sarapodu. You have to engage them. If you don't engage members in activities of the club, in events of the club, the member may go away. So when you try to get a member, what do you mean by member engagement? Member ko connect. Club lo unna members, they need to be connected to each other. That is a very important member engagement. Level 1. What is level 2? Level 2 is members of a club are connected to a member of another club in your region. Even in your zone, you have 4 clubs. One club, members of one club have to be connected with the members of another club, right? Then there is a new connection. Now that is the kind of a member engagement we are talking about. As a region chairman, as a zone chairman, how creatively you can take this forward is your assignment. So once you connect them, then it becomes easier for you to involve them. Once they get involved, don't be quiet. Assign them. Clubలకు చెప్పండి, వాళ్ళకు ఒక రెస్పాన్సిబిలిటీ ఇవ్వమని, ఒక పదవి ఇవ్వమని చెప్పండి, ఒక అసైన్మెంట్ ఇవ్వమని చెప్పండి. So when a member gets an assignment, he starts feeling I'm a leader. Chinna assignment kavachu, how to do a project, how to do a presentation to a students in a school or a college. Let us do some assignments and start giving these assignments to members. Support them with the assignments. Acknowledge the members. Prati club lo there are stalwarts, senior officers, government officers, highly qualified academicians. మన ప్రొఫెసర్ గోపాల్ రెడ్డి గారు ఉన్నారు వరంగల్ నుండి, పాస్ట్ కౌన్సిల్ చైర్మన్. వారు ఫ్రమ్ 4 యూనివర్సిటీస్ హి హస్ బీన్ అ వైస్ ఛాన్సలర్. ఎంత పెద్ద గొప్ప విషయం అండి ఇది. అంత పెద్ద పదవిలో అంత గొప్ప విషయం ఉన్న విషయం మీరు యాజ్ లయన్స్, ఇఫ్ యూ కాంట్ షేర్ ఇట్ విత్ యువర్ మెంబర్స్, దట్ అక్నాలెడ్జ్మెంట్ విచ్ ఐఎమ్ టాకింగ్ అబౌట్ విల్ నాట్ కీప్ ద మెంబర్స్ ఎంగేజ్డ్. So there are industrialists, they are professionals, they are business people, they are very talented trainers. Bring them together and acknowledge them. You must be able to say, I'm so happy that we have 45 doctors in my zone. Even the zone chairman garu, one message from you. We have 45 doctors in our zone. A doctor pe oka WhatsApp message pettandi, dan impact chudandi. You can just say we have so many professors in our zone, in our region. We have so many industrialists in my region, so many architects. You know, that is, you have to be very creative in engaging them. And that engagement is something you must work on. And finally, what is most important is not just connect, not just involve, not just assign them, not just support them, not just acknowledge who they are, but importantly, make Lionism a great experience for them. So we talked about consolidation and we talked about organizing member engagement through events, through activities, and through approaches. Let's move on to the third one. Moving forward, value add. What do you mean by value add? Feeling of happiness. Oh, I am a Lion member. That value add. Otherwise, that member will not want to be a Lion anymore. That value add is very important. I'm a Lions Club member. I'm a Lions Club president. I'm a Lions Club secretary. Right? I'm a director on the board this year. First time I become a director. That value add, a goppa feeling that I'm a Lion member and a value add is important. How do you give a value add to a club? Value add member. Encourage clubs to have a website. Ee rojullo website is very, very cheap.
5 more minutes, sir.
సుమారు 25,000, 50,000, 1 lakh rupees was being spent on a website. Today, a club can have a regular website updated for 1 year with a small budget of 5 to 10,000 rupees. ఒక గుర్తింపు కొరకు వెబ్సైట్, ఆ వెబ్సైట్ నుండి ఏమవుతుందంటే అందులో మెంబర్స్ ప్రొఫైల్స్, మెంబర్ ఫోటోగ్రాఫ్ ఉంటుంది, అతని వృత్తి ఉంటుంది, వాట్ ఆర్ హిస్ అచీవ్మెంట్స్. సో ద మెంబర్ ఫీల్స్ హ్యాపీ దట్ ఐఎమ్ ఆన్ ద వెబ్సైట్. క్లబ్ ట్విన్నింగ్, ఒక క్లబ్ కి మరో క్లబ్ కి ట్విన్నింగ్. ఇట్ డజంట్ హ్యావ్ టు బి ఇన్ యువర్ ఓన్ డిస్ట్రిక్ట్. మీ జిల్లా గవర్నర్ మరి మా జిల్లా గవర్నర్, రెండు క్లబ్బులు, దే కెన్ కమ్ టుగెదర్, జాయింట్ Zoom activity, go to webinar activity, connect them. Club twinning within the multiple, beyond the multiple, within India, beyond India, in the world. Connect, promote club twinning. Past president special, prati club lo past presidents unnaru. Mari today a lot of Lionism is functioning because of the support from past presidents. Past presidents are a very important treasure. మరి యాజ్ అ జోన్ చైర్మన్, యాజ్ అ రీజన్ చైర్మన్ అది గుర్తించండి. క్లబ్ లో పాస్ట్ ప్రెసిడెంట్స్ ఉన్నారు, వారికి ఒక స్పెషల్ స్థాయిలో వారిని ప్రత్యేకంగా వారిని యూ షుడ్ టేక్ కేర్ ఆఫ్ దెమ్. ఇన్వెస్ట్ ఆన్ రికగ్నిషన్. ఈసారి కొద్దిగా రికగ్నిషన్స్ అనేది చాలా వాడుతున్నాను, ఎందుకంటే వీ నీడ్ టు గివ్ మోర్ రికగ్నిషన్స్. రికగ్నిషన్ అంటే ఒక అవార్డే కాదు, ఒక గుర్తింపండి. ఒకటి వారికి ఒక ఫీలింగ్ ఆఫ్ హ్యాపీనెస్. ఓ నా గురించి మాట్లాడుతున్నారు 10 మంది. అలాంటి రికగ్నిషన్ అవసరం. ఒక సర్టిఫికేట్, ఒక మెడలో ఏ రకంగా కూడా మీ జిల్లా వాళ్ళు చేయించినట్టయితే ఆ మెంబర్ ఫీల్స్ హ్యాపీ, బికాస్ ది ఎంటైర్ ఫోకస్ ఇస్ టు వాల్యూ యాడ్. మరి రీచ్ అవుట్ బియాండ్ పిఎస్టీస్ పాస్ట్ ప్రెసిడెంట్స్. చాలా మంది రీజన్ చైర్మన్, మెనీ జోన్ చైర్పర్సన్స్ ఆర్ ఓన్లీ కనెక్టెడ్ విత్ పిఎస్టీ, ఆర్ ఓన్లీ కనెక్టెడ్ విత్ పాస్ట్ ప్రెసిడెంట్స్. ఐ థింక్ యు ఆర్ నాట్ టేకింగ్ అడ్వాంటేజ్. యూ మస్ట్ గో బియాండ్. క్లబ్ లో 50 మంది ఉన్నారంటే ఒక 10 మంది పాస్ట్ ప్రెసిడెంట్స్ ఉండొచ్చు, ఒక 3 పిఎస్టీస్ ఉండొచ్చు, మరి మిగతా 37 మంది ఉన్నారు. ట్రై టు కనెక్ట్ విత్ దెమ్. సో రీచ్ అవుట్. రీచ్ అవుట్ అంటే వారితో కనెక్షన్ అవసరం మీకు. సో డోంట్ బీ హ్యాపీ విత్ ఓన్లీ లీడర్స్, గో టు మెంబర్స్. పబ్లిష్ క్లబ్స్ అచీవ్మెంట్, దాని గురించి చెప్పాను ఇంత క్రితం. వాట్ ఎవర్ ఈస్ ది అచీవ్మెంట్ ఆఫ్ ద క్లబ్ ప్రచారం చేసే బాధ్యత మీది. హైలైట్ స్టార్స్, హైలైట్ స్టార్స్ చెప్పాను కదా, మా దగ్గర ఇంతమంది డాక్టర్లు ఉన్నారు, యూ షుడ్ హైలైట్ దట్ ఆస్పెక్ట్. మా దగ్గర లేడీ మెంబర్స్ ఉన్నారు, హైలైట్ దెమ్. యూత్ మెంబర్స్ ఉన్నారు, హైలైట్ దెమ్. రైట్, గోల్డ్ మెడలిస్ట్ ఉన్నారు, హైలైట్ దెమ్. స్పెషలిస్ట్ ఉన్నారు, హైలైట్ దెమ్. టాక్ అబౌట్ దెమ్. దట్ ఈస్ వాల్యూ యాడ్. ఫ్యామిలీ టైం అండి. కోవిడ్ తర్వాత ఇప్పుడు వితౌట్ ఫ్యామిలీ పార్టిసిపేషన్ మే బికమ్ అ లిటిల్ డిఫికల్ట్. మన లయనిజంలో ప్రత్యేకంగా మన మల్టిపుల్ లో సుమారు 25% ఫ్యామిలీ ఇన్వాల్వ్మెంట్ ఉంది అంతే. ఇట్స్ ఓన్లీ 25%, 20 to 25%. బట్ వరల్డ్ వైడ్ యావరేజ్, ప్రత్యేకంగా ప్లేసెస్ లైక్ టర్కీ, ప్లేసెస్ లైక్ స్పెయిన్, ద ఫ్యామిలీ ఇన్వాల్వ్మెంట్ అంటే విమెన్ ఇన్వాల్వ్మెంట్ ఈస్ మోర్ దాన్ 50%, మోర్ దాన్ 55%. అది మన దగ్గర లేదు. సో వీ షుడ్ ట్రై టు గెట్ మోర్ ఫ్యామిలీ అండ్ విమెన్ get more and more involved with Lionism. దాని వల్ల కొద్దిగా యాక్టివిటీ పెరుగుతుంది. అండ్ ఫన్ టైం. లెట్ us make it simple. People are locked inside. దినమంతా వారికి ఎంటర్టైన్మెంట్ ఎక్సెప్ట్ టెలివిజన్. there is no other entertainment, no movies, no parties. So create some fun time, create some activity. How you do it, I can do another session for you, but I am giving you a lead right now that you must start working in these areas. Let members enjoy Lionism. That is most important. So C for consolidation, O for organized engagement, V for value add. Now let's move on. Innovative approaches. I, innovation and ఏమిటి? ఒక కొత్త ఆలోచన, innovation. Black and white television has now converted into a color television. దాని innovation అంటారు, right? So we are talking about better innovative approaches. ఇవాళ ఒక ఉదాహరణకి చెప్తున్నాను. Look at the musical instruments. Instrument is the same. ఏమండి, the instrument is the same, but the manner in which you play the instrument is changing. ఒక piano can be operated through a computer. ఏమండి, ఎప్పుడైనా ఆలోచించారా? How can I become a good pianist sitting on a computer? I don't have to sit on a piano, right? Now that is the trend that is taking place in the world. So what are the innovative approaches? Clubs cannot, let me be very clear, clubs cannot function the way they were functioning. అంటే క్రితమ రోజుల్లో club chese activities, club chese meetings, it may not be possible. It is possible, fine. But if it is not possible, then what do? We can't do another seminar. So what we are trying to do is emphasizing on this fact that club must have new approaches. It cannot do the same old things. It has to do new things. Relevant activities. A lot of relevant activities are important. Events, engaging members. Members are no more interested. Patakalamla meeting jarigina ippudu ravante, same meeting, same speeches, they are not interested. So we are trying to engage members through relevant activities. What is a relevant activity, right? So you have to start thinking, how can I connect my group? Move 4 clubs unnai oka zone lo. Do a meeting for all the 4 clubs. Evandi, one meeting on the online meeting with 4 club members, only 4 club members. Imagine how successful it will be. Social media, social media is extremely important these days. And finally, virtual clubs. These are the times for virtual clubs. And there is a concept of virtual club in Lionism. I think you must take it forward. So let's move forward. Innovative approaches is extremely important. Iroju, your club, your way, antar Lions Club International World. What do you mean, your club, your way? And it's my club, my way. There are 4 kinds of clubs that are allowed in Lions Club. As a region chairman, as a zone chairman, you must be aware. Meeku gurtimpu undali ee subject. 4 రకాల క్లబ్బులు స్థాపించే యొక్క అవకాశం మనకుంది. ఫస్ట్ వన్ ట్రెడిషనల్ క్లబ్, అంటే మీ క్లబ్ మా క్లబ్, వి ఆర్ కాల్డ్ ట్రెడిషనల్ క్లబ్స్. రెండో టైప్ ఆఫ్ క్లబ్ స్పెషాలిటీ క్లబ్ అంటారు. స్పెషాలిటీ క్లబ్, క్లబ్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ డాక్టర్స్, a club of all chartered accountants, a club of all people living in one apartment, right? A club of defense people, right? So speciality clubs. Moodo club idi chaala takkuva mandiki telusu. Many of us are not aware of it. The third kind of club is a virtual club. It is allowed in a district. What is the meaning of a virtual club? Virtual club ante this club will be from all over the multiple. 75% of the members should be residing or working within the geography area of a multiple district. So oka virtual club start chese avakasham avasaram rendu unnai. Avasaram endukante some club members may want to leave, వాళ్ళని పొడగొట్టుకోకుండా let us transfer them into virtual club. మరి virtual club లో dues are very limited. International dues మాత్రమే ఉంటుంది. District dues ఉండొచ్చు. గవర్నర్ గారికి చెప్పండి virtual club స్థాపించే అవసరం ఉంది. Money we can think of waiving of district dues. Endukante virtual club people cannot hold any positions anuka stapinchochu. So it is up to us to take the Lionism forward. And the fourth one is campus club. Meeku andarki telusu campus club. So there are 4 kinds of clubs: traditional, speciality, virtual, campus. Let us focus on virtual clubs. This is the right time for us to focus on virtual clubs. And finally, the last one, let's move forward. The last one is delivery. We talked about consolidation. We talked about organizing member engagement programs. We talked about value add. We talked about innovative development. And now we are talking about delivery. Your delivery. Total commitment. Delivery of what? Delivery of total commitment. Your delivery of quality leadership. Your delivery, willingness to try it out. Nenu try chestanu, fail aina parvaledu, let me try it out. You know, you should be confident about your new approaches. Readiness to for challenges, bold problems untai kani you should be ready. Don't run away from it. Ready to face the challenge. And most important, dare to succeed and grow, because you can't allow the challenge to win. You have to win over the challenge. So this is a very important time. And this COVID leadership, COVID, has 2 angles. First one is challenging obstacles versus innovative development, right? And COVID leadership is consolidate, organize, value add, innovation, and delivery. So once as an RC and ZC you are done with this, then I'm quite confident you will have a great year. I come to the end of my presentation. Let's move forward, please. Dear friends, it's a tough road to success. It's a very tough road to success. But remember, it is a tougher me. The situation may be tough, but I am also tough. That is the approach I want every one of you to take. We can guide the drive. Ante mana drive edaitundo dani we need to guide it, and we must find new approaches. Your goal, my goal, our multiple goal. It's a common goal. Our COVID leadership must turn successful. I wish you all the very best. Let's move forward. I wish you all the very best. I am quite certain that 2021 will be an outstanding year for all of us and for every region chairman, zone chairman. I look forward to a very, very successful year. All the very best, and thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Sunil Garu. That was a really illuminating, inspiring talk, and I am sure all the RCs and ZCs and the others who are attending this program have been greatly inspired by you. You have given them some useful tips and also have given them lots of knowledge and skills that are necessary to lead themselves in the new roles that they have taken for themselves. So thank you very much for this wonderful session that you've given us.